If you try to eat different apple every day, then it would take about 20 years to try them all. There are over 7,500 different types of apple in the world. Some are used for only cooking, while some are used for making apple cider. Many of them are eaten raw. Everyone likes to eat apple, and whenever we cut the apple color gradually changes after cutting. But have you ever thought that? Why does apple changes its color after cutting? If you don't know, then you don't need to worry about it. So let's know in this video. You may wonder where the phrase "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" came from. The saying came long before scientists began to explore the effect of an apple on the human body. But researchers at Cornell University tested a specific chemical that is found in apples called quercetin. They compared it to vitamin C. The chemical was administered to rats and it was shown to be more effective than vitamin C. It protects the brain from oxidative stress, and while more research is needed, it may also help to prevent the development of cancer as well. So now let's know about why apple changes its color after cutting. Apple color is white from inside, but after cutting, gradually the color of the apple turns from white to brown. Such a wonderful scene makes us think that how does this happen? Actually, as soon as we cut the apple, a biochemical reaction starts inside the apple. This biochemical reaction occurs between the apple and the oxygen present in the air. Because until we doesn't cut the apple, the skin on it does not allow that biochemical reaction to occur. But as soon as we cut the apple, so immediately after cutting, the part inside it will react with the oxygen present in the air. There are different types of enzymes are found in all fruits. In the same way, many enzymes are found in the apple too. And the prominent enzymes that found in the apple are polyphenol oxidase and polyphenols. Both of these enzymes are present in the apple cells, but despite being in a cell, these two enzymes do not touch each other. That means do not come in contact with each other, and nor is there any kind of reaction between these enzymes. But as soon as we cut the apple or bite the apple, so during that time the apple cells get damaged, and due to damage in the apple cells, these two enzymes start to react together, and both these enzymes are also exposed to air. These three substances, polyphenol oxidase, polyphenols, and oxygen, combine with each other and causing a reaction. And when the reaction becomes completed, it makes a byproduct that called melanin. And do you know that melanin is also found in our skin? And due to melanin, our skin color is determined. When we stay in the sun for a long time, our skin turns from white to brown, and later it also turns little black. All this happens due to the amount of melanin being more or less. In the same way, it also occurs in the apple. The melanin is not present in the apple, but due to certain reactions between the apple enzymes and oxygen, the melanin is produced as a byproduct. And due to the presence of melanin, the apple color gradually changes from white to brown. Now we will know some amazing and interesting facts about the apple, which you have never heard before. Do you know that in some apples, these phenolic compounds are found in very high amounts? Due to the large amount of phenolic compounds, these apples quickly turn brown after cutting. Many people think that apple is the only fruit that becomes brown after cutting, but this is not true at all. Apart from apple, there are many fruits and vegetables which becomes brown after cutting. Avocados and potatoes are one of them. Do you know that apple is not just red in color? Rather, apple has lots of color. Some of apple's color are red apple, green apple, yellow apple, and rare black apple. The black diamond apple is a rare breed that is cultivated in the Tibetan region. Its unique color is due to the region's high altitude. Apple is a unique fruit that is free from fat, sodium, and cholesterol. If you want to lose weight, you have a heart problem, so you can eat apple easily without any trouble. The size of the apple that you see in the market is normally 3 to 4 inches, and they are usually weigh up to 200 grams. But the largest apple ever planted was 3 pounds in weight. All trees have different lifespans. The lifespan of some trees is 10 years, 20 years of some tree, and some have 30 years. But generally, an apple tree has a lifespan of 100 years, which is almost similar to the lifespan of humans. America's longest lived apple tree was reportedly planted in 1647 and was still bearing fruits when a rail train struck it in 1866. World's top apple producing countries are China, United States, Turkey, Poland, and Italy. China is in a dominant position in apple production globally with both the largest apple growing area and the largest export of fresh apple fruits. You will be shocked after knowing this fact. An apple can kill you. The chances of it happening are very slim. Apple pips, small and hard seeds in the fruit, do contain a bite of cyanide. However, it is a very small amount and the shell is so hard that the human body can't break it down enough to allow the cyanide to escape. The amount of cyanide is so small that the body would not be affected. You would have to eat a large amount of apple pips and have them all break down in your system to hurt by their cyanide. So please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.